Best Car Accessories 2020, car tech you never knew you needed. From dash cams to key locators, we've put together a list of the best car accessories for your wheels. This isn't going to be a list of Pimp My Ride-worthy supersonic sound systems, hot tubs in the back of the truck, aquariums, or even chandeliers, but a practical list of all the car accessories that may actually improve your driving experience. From dash cams that will prove your innocence in an accident to wireless Bluetooth transmitters for car sound systems that predate smartphone connectivity. The car accessory market is certainly a variable one. But before we get into the cool gadgetry, there's one necessary item that clinches the top spot. Dog hair, crisp crumbs, mud, hairpins and the odd 1p coin by the end of the month. Your car probably looks like a detritus dumping ground, which means the clever and convenient Dyson V6 Car and Boat is a no-brainer when it comes to need to buy car accessories. There's nothing more annoying than trying to explain to the insurance company that the accident wasn't your fault. No matter what kind of tangled web of lies the third party is trying to weave. Well now, the proof is in the camera, recording in 4K quality. This smart dash cam allows you to record and easily transfer footage from the device to your phone or home PC. It uses a magnetic pad to secure itself to the dashboard and it tracks your GPS and speed to ensure everything's fair and square whenever you happen to have an accident. While the bloke from Britain's Got Talent may have enjoyed his 15 minutes of fame, can't remember where me keys, where me phone. Look it up on YouTube. It'll blow your mind. We know only too well the frustration of actually misplacing them. This handy gadget attaches to your keys. You can ring it from your phone or consult the app to see when they were last seen. You can also press the button on the tile mate itself and it'll ring your phone, and it'll even make a noise on silent mode. Handy. The Divi USB charger is one of the most compact car chargers on the market. With a slimline design, which sits almost flush with the edge of the outlet, it'll allow you to simultaneously charge two devices at full speed with 2.4 in each USB port. The aluminium case looks more premium than the plastic options on the market, and the scratch resistance technology keeps it looking like new. The Divi charger has a number of safety guarantees and comes with a 12-month manufacturer warranty. Add Bluetooth to your car audio system with Firefly, the world's tiniest music receiver. Firefly allows you to stream music from your smartphone to any device with an O input. Just plug Firefly into your audio system and a USB power source, and pair it with your smartphone. Once paired, Firefly will remember your device and auto-connect whenever you're close by. If your car is getting on a bit, and won't always start first time, don't call a tow truck service or wait on the side of the road for help. Use the Artec. This handy little device will lump your vehicle up to 20 times on a single charge. With heavy-duty cables and clamp built in, it'll also charge all of your portable devices, such as smartphones, tablets, cameras, wireless headphones, and portable gaming systems, etc. And, if that wasn't enough, it has an ultra-bright LED torch built in. When the radio jingles literally make you want to blow a gasket. Hook up your phone to this transmitter and play your own tunes through your car stereo. With an inbuilt microphone, echo cancellation and noise suppression, this transmitter handily doubles up as a hands-free calling device and triples up as a charger, plugging right into your cigarette lighter socket. This transmitter is easy to use and, according to people who've already bought it, provides oodles of performance qualities. 2. If you've just got a new car, or are looking to update your old car, you'd be surprised how effective a thorough clean is. If you're looking for a total clean, you can't go wrong with Autoglim's bodywork, wheels and interior collection. The kit contains everything you need to get your car sparkling again, including bodywork shampoo, super resin polish, extra gloss protection, clean wheels, instant tire dressing, alloy wheel seal, interior shampoo, car glass polish, vinyl and rubber care, a sponge, high-tech finishing cloth, and finally, an aqua dry cloth. If you're on the go for work, taking phone calls every 5 minutes while browsing online spreadsheets can take its toll on your battery. So if you're driving in between clients, It's a great time to give your phone a boost of charge. This Scotch USB charger is small and fits neatly into your cigarette lighter socket. It works with all smartphones and devices. And there's 2 ports so you can charge up your tablet and your phone at the same time. Combining Dyson's powerful cyclone technology with accessories specifically designed to clean your car. This one is a no-brainer if you're always cursing at stray dog hair and crumbs in the back seat. From the crevice tool to the mini motorized tool for picking up dog hair. This small and light hoover is versatile and offers up to 20 minutes of charge. So you can quickly clean your car without forking out any extra at the local hand car wash. The AA Emergency Winter Car Kit is essential if you want to be prepared for winter conditions and comes in a handy storage bag to stow easily in the boot of your car. The folding shovel is compact but strong enough to tackle thick snow, and the snow and ice grips will ensure you remain sturdy on your feet in wintry conditions. A high-vis jacket ensures other motorists can see you, and a handy torch to help you see and be seen on those cold dark nights. Also included is a foil blanket to keep in body heat should you need to wait for a breakdown rescue. This kit also includes a rain ponchos plus a set of fully insulated booster cables in case of emergencies. This first aid kit from AA is ideal for road trips, camping or caravanning. Everything is contained within an easy-to-carry storage pouch. And you know it's a quality product. From the AA, the extensive kit contains wound dressings, triangular badges, first aid dressings, first aid compress, bandages, an emergency blanket, adhesive plasters, a pair of scissors, adhesive tape, and instructions on how to use everything. Chris is a digital assistant, like Amazon's Alexa, for drivers. The smart hardware supports you like a real co-driver, giving you directions, reading messages, controlling music, and accepting calls. Chris is attached to the windscreen like a sat-nav and paired with the mobile phone via Bluetooth. And best of all, Chris also works offline, without any internet connection. Text source, t3.com.